Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of tech speculation to explore the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. Rumor has it, Apple is crafting a compact powerhouse that could redefine the tablet market. Let's dissect the leaks, predictions, and hopes surrounding this potential game changer. The iPad mini, a compact contender. Before we delve into the specifics of the iPad mini 7, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The iPad mini series has carved a niche for itself as the go-to choice for those seeking a portable yet capable tablet experience. The iPad mini 6, with its striking design and impressive performance, solidified its position as a popular option. However, it's been a while since we've seen a refresh, leaving fans eagerly awaiting the next iteration. iPad mini 7. A design revolution? One of the most exciting prospects surrounding the iPad mini 7 is its potential design overhaul. Industry insiders suggest that Apple is aiming for an all-screen experience, akin to the iPhone's immersive display. Picture a sleek, bezel-less tablet that maximizes screen real estate while maintaining a compact footprint. This design shift could elevate the iPad mini 7's multimedia capabilities, making it an even more compelling choice for content consumption and creation. But the design magic doesn't stop there. Rumors also point towards a potential shift in the iPad mini's orientation. While the current model boasts a landscape-oriented design, the iPad mini 7 might embrace a portrait-friendly layout. This change could have significant implications for user experience, especially when it comes to reading, note-taking, and productivity apps. Power under-the-hood performance is a crucial aspect of any tech gadget, and the iPad mini 7 is expected to deliver in this department. Equipped with the latest Apple chipset, likely an A-series or M-series chip, this mini marvel is poised to offer snappy performance, seamless multitasking, and efficient power management. Whether you're editing videos, playing demanding games, or simply browsing the web, the iPad mini 7 should handle it with ease. Camera capabilities. Apple has consistently prioritized camera quality in its devices, and the iPad mini 7 is no exception. Expect significant improvements in both the front and rear cameras. A higher megapixel count, improved low-light performance, and advanced features like night mode could make the iPad mini 7 a capable photography and videography tool. Additional features to watch for. Beyond the core specs and design, there are other exciting possibilities for the iPad mini 7. Apple might introduce enhanced connectivity options, such as faster Wi-Fi and cellular speeds. Additionally, support for Apple Pencil could be a game changer for creative professionals and students alike. Release date and pricing. As with any highly anticipated tech product, the release date and pricing of the iPad mini 7 are shrouded in mystery. While rumors suggest a potential launch window in late 2023 or early 2024, these details should be taken with a grain of salt. Pricing is another variable, but considering the iPad mini's popularity, it's reasonable to expect a premium price tag. Conclusion. The iPad mini 7 has the potential to be a groundbreaking device that redefines the compact tablet market. With its rumored all-screen design, powerful performance, and advanced camera capabilities, it could become a must-have gadget for a wide range of users. However, we must remember that these are just speculations based on leaks and rumors. Only time will tell if Apple will deliver on the hype surrounding the iPad mini 7. What are your thoughts on the iPad mini 7? Are you excited about the potential design changes and performance upgrades? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to my channel for more tech updates and reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.